Welcome to Atmosera Audio. Manufacturers today collect massive amounts of data from sensors, machines, and enterprise systems. Yet, up to 95% of that data goes unused because it remains trapped in separate systems. When data stays fragmented, it limits visibility and makes it harder to improve performance or catch problems early. This is a problem. As Jacob Saunders, EVP of Professional Services at Atmosera, notes, manufacturers can't afford blind spots in their operations, but Azure gives them a unified data platform that breaks down silos and makes every decision data-driven. With a unified platform like Azure, manufacturers can connect plant floor systems such as PLCs, MES, and IoT sensors with enterprise tools like ERP and cloud services. This creates a single source of the truth across the organization. Teams gain faster insights, consistent quality, and real-time visibility across every facility. Azure's intelligent data platform combines databases, analytics, and AI services to eliminate fragmentation. By following standards like ISA 95, it links sensor data to production orders and quality records, which transforms your raw information into usable insights. The result is secure, governed, and centralized data available to authorized users across the business. Once data is unified, AI becomes a powerful tool. Machine learning models can forecast demand, detect anomalies, and optimize schedules. With Azure OpenAI service, AI copilots can even guide teams through root cause analysis in real time. To learn more about how unified data management can transform how your manufacturing company uses your data, read the full article on our website. And don't forget to add Atmosera Audio to your Spotify playlist.